In this video, I'm going to tell you a secret way to earn money using the Google News and your copy pasting skill. That's right, folks. Google News isn't just a news hub, it's a cash-generating machine. Let's jump right in and discover the step-by-step process. First things first, let's head over to Google News. If you're not familiar with Google News, no worries. Just search Google News in the search box and open the first website that appears in the search results. Here we are on the homepage of Google News. It's like an online newspaper, bringing you news from all over the world. As you can see, Google News has various categories, such as business, technology, sports, and more. Now, you might be wondering how you can make money just by reading these news articles. Well, worry not, my friend. All you have to do is copy and paste. It's as simple as that. Simply select the category tab that interests you the most. Personally, I prefer the health category, so I'm going to choose that. But feel free to pick any category that suits your interests. As you can see, there are plenty of articles in this category. With new articles being posted every minute, you won't have any trouble finding fresh content. Each article can help you make $40. So if you choose 5 articles per day, you can generate $200 every single day. And with enough time and effort, you can easily make $1,000. So let's get back to the tutorial. Choose any article you like. For example, I'll choose this one. Congratulations! We've completed the first stage, which is finding good articles on Google News. But now we need to make these articles fresh and original due to copyright issues. To solve this problem, we can use an AI tool called Quillbot. It can help us rewrite the content with just one click. So search Quillbot on Google and open the first website that appears. Here we are on the Quillbot homepage. Now all we have to do is copy the article and paste it into this tool. So let's go back to the article, select the entire text, and paste it into the AI tool. I'm only selecting a portion of this article because I'm just explaining the method to you. After copying and pasting the article, simply hit the paraphrase button. The tool will take a few seconds and give us a rewritten article. We can use this same process for other articles to generate unlimited unique content. You can also explore other categories to find more articles. Fantastic! We've completed the second step, and now there's only one step left. I'll show you how to make money with the articles you've generated using Quillbot. First, copy the generated article and save it somewhere safe so we don't lose it. I'm pasting it in Notepad, but you can use any text editor you prefer. Now we're going to sell this article to websites that pay for written content. In this video, I'm going to share 2 websites that you can use to sell your articles. The first website is eatingwell.com. It's special because it pays $1 per word. So if you write a 100-word article, you can easily earn $100. And since we can generate unlimited articles with the help of Google News and Quillbot, it's a breeze. Now let me show you how to earn money with Eatingwell's website. First, grab their email address from the website and send them an email with the subject line, Content Submission. Let them know that you want to submit your article for review. You can use the same email template I'm using, but I recommend changing some words to make your email stand out from the others. Next, copy the article you've saved and include the entire text in the email. If they like your article, they'll reply and ask for payment options like PayPal or wire transfer. You can choose the option that's suitable for you. You can repeat this entire process without any limit. That's right, there's no earning limit with this method. The websites I'm sharing with you in this video are legitimate and have been in business for a long time, so you can trust them without any issues. I want to mention another website called ARP.org. It's even better than the previous one because it pays double the money, $2 per word. I highly recommend checking out this website as well. By using both Eating Well and ARP.org, you can maximize your earning potential. That wraps up today's video on how to make money with Google News. I hope you found this information valuable and that it helps you generate some extra income.